Do you want to make money from stock market? We have an exciting news for you. Kiran Jadhav and Associates announces a revolutionary workshop on trading, known as Inference Trading System. Stop counting on rumors and start trading on evidence. Learn the 3 M's of successful trading: mind management, money management, momentum methodology. Now let us talk about the key attractions of this workshop. Number 1. Suitable to capture intermediate trends, uptrend as well as downtrend. Number 2. Money minting strategies can be immediately applied after the workshop. Number 3. Higher strike rate and extraordinary return record. Number 4. You don't need any prior knowledge to attend the workshop. Number 5. Suitable to brokers, analysts, housewives and market enthusiasts. Free signals can be availed by the participants. So we have organized a 2 full-day workshop. Which is conducted during live market hours. We are coming to a city near you. For details of our next workshop, call 959-511-3344 or visit our website www.kiranjadhav.com.